mentor couple namin. Sinabi na yung used to sa kami pa, oh my God,
So,
kami rin.
yun ang pinaka-tip namin, mag-Zoom meeting.
Tayo di ba noon board meeting?
Board meeting.
Ayun.
Oo, di ba?
Pre-pandemic.
Pre-pandemic.
Alam mo, paglaki yung mga anak natin, alam na, sinasabi
Pag
nila,
board meeting, once a year lang pala.
Pero ngayon, yeah, we have to work.
No, I think we had instantaneous versus scheduled. I think sometimes we have mindsets from movies that it's always like spontaneous, instant. Di ba? Nagtinginan sa elevator, naghuhuparan na under the hotel. I don't think it happens like that a lot. And like, we schedule working out, we schedule paying our bills, we schedule things that are important to us. Di ba? And the thing kasi with scheduling is sometimes I'm feeling it, she's not. Diba? And while scheduling can feel unromantic, it actually is good because it gives your partner a chance to get in the mood.